Hello viewers, welcome to SRK Studio. I hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to discuss the black screen problem and 3ds Max. So let's get started. If I want to render this box, so I face the black screen problem just like this, you can see here. But how can we solve this problem? So let me tell you that the first thing you have to go to the render setup. Here you have to first check the common and assign the render. Here you can see I assigned the Vray advanced. So the next step, you have to check the Vray. Go to the Vray, click on the global switches. When you click on the global switches, if there are three things: expert and default and advanced. So you have to click on this and make it advanced. When you click on this, make it advanced. Here you can see the default light, which is off. So you have to on these lights. When you on this light, now we can see we check. If we check this, so you can see the result. Here you can see the result. The box is rendered. So you can easily see the object while turn on the default lights. So viewers, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and tell me in the comment below. Thank you so much.